Hard-edge bandsaw blades from Hakansson Şerit are high-quality Swedish products chosen by customers all over the world. Within the company, we have more than 100 years' experience of heat treating of steel strips. Hakansson has always been manufactured in Sweden. Users around the world recognize the superior quality, and of our total production, 90% is exported to all continents. Our complete distribution network builds on long-term relationships. Many distributors have been with us for 30 up to 50 years. Our main production of bandsaw blades are in quality bimetal for all kinds of metal cutting and high silicon steel, suitable for wood and food processing industries. The Ice Hotel in Sweden uses Hakansson saw blades for cutting ice. Our high-quality saw blades are available in many different tooth profiles. We are considered being one of the quality leaders. The saw blades are tough, cut faster, and last longer. Hakansson Şerit, your reliable partner.